you today?
I am very excited. I'm actually very happy when I'm around food.
Food is, my happy place too. And with so much color around. Yum. Do you mind if I take a bite?
Of course not. I think you should. These are the tastiest apples which are available on this earth. Well, you know what? I've made this amazing zingy apple and olive salad with piñata apples from Germany.
It is amazing. It is sweet but also tangy. It is almost giving me a feeling like I'm having a tart.
Well, that is the magic of Europe. Everyone loves fruits, but it only matters if it is more than love. One should rather be mesmerized by the product. That is how I feel about fruits from the European Union.
Wow, chef, you truly look mesmerized. But when you're talking about fresh fruits and vegetables, one is concerned about safety. Are these 100% safe to consume?
Well, yes, of course. European farmers are required to follow an established set of good agriculture practices and certified production methods. And all of this is produced sustainably. In response to consumer demand, non-organic farmers are also making very decisive steps to reduce pesticide use. Well, these products are systematically controlled at different states of the supply chain, building safety and trust for the consumers.
That's really interesting to know. I also wanted to know that the main fruits harvested in huge volumes are apples and oranges. Is it right?
Oh, there is so much more, Sarah. Cherries, peaches, pears, limes, lemons, watermelons, berries, and what not. Well, these come from all over European Union. Poland, Slovenia, Portugal, Greece, and many other member states.
Wow.
Well, let's take peaches for an example. Peaches come from all over Europe, and the quality is just amazing. Let me take you to a Portuguese farm that combines tradition with modern technology. Hi Patricia, we wanted to know what makes your peaches so delicious.
Em primeiro lugar, as variedades de pessegueiros que plantamos são adaptadas ao clima e ao sol. Ao fazermos parte da cooperativa Cova da Beira, a nossa produção respeita a diretriz de indicação geográfica protegida e tratamos muito bem do solo para que contenha todos os nutrientes necessários para o crescimento das árvores.
It looks like a nursery.
Exatamente! Até te chamamos os nossos bebês. Na primavera, os pêssegos que não nos parecem tão bons são retirados das árvores para permitir que os outros cresçam de uma forma mais saudável. Sabemos exatamente o que os nossos árvores precisam em cada momento do ano. Há 50 anos que promovemos o desenvolvimento da agricultura sustentável com o mínimo de perturbação possível dos ecossistemas agrícolas. É este o segredo da qualidade do nosso produto. Cuidamos das nossas árvores todos os dias.
Now let us talk about the vegetables. Vegetables are an important staple in Europe. The authenticity and quality of these vegetables is also protected by geographical indications. Now the quality and taste of every vegetable can be very different. For example, what you're seeing here is a thick-stemmed celery from Netherlands. You can use this to flavor your soups, your stocks, even to actually flavor your salads like I've done here. Well, not just this, they have about 2,600 different varieties of tomatoes. Well, these are cherry tomatoes from Spain, but let me take you to Italy where we can learn more about Italian tomatoes. Hi Sebastiano.
Ciao,
Well, Sebastiano, tell us about the varieties of tomato in Pacino.
abbiamo il ciliegino, il costoluto, il tonto liscio e il grappolo. E questi sono solo i loro nomi. I colori variano dal giallo al verde al rosso. Pachino è il paradiso del pomodoro, il posto più caldo in Europa e si trova in una piccola isola. Perciò, grazie all'acqua salmastra, tutti i minerali vengono assorbiti dalla pianta, rendendo i pomodori più gustosi.
And that is what consumers want.
Esatto, la qualità dei pomodori di Pachino è garantita dal marchio IGP. Presto un codice QR verrà aggiunto su ogni confezione. Questo permetterà al consumatore di tracciare il prodotto dal seme al scaffale del supermercato. Oggi la maggior parte dei produttori si prendono cura del loro prodotto ad ogni fase della produzione.
It is great to see how Europeans build their quality, safety and authenticity.
Well, absolutely. And now we are famished and we're going to dig into this amazing, beautiful salad. Why don't you also go and try more than fruits and vegetables from Europe? See you soon. Bye-bye.